Imagine a place where the ground is hot enough to melt lead and the sky rains acid. The air pressure, it would crush you like a tin can, and a single day lasts longer than an entire year. This isn't a nightmare. This isn't science fiction. This is Venus, Earth's twin sister turned into hell. Welcome to the most brutal planet in our solar system. Let me show you why. 900 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the surface temperature of Venus. Hot enough to melt zinc, hot enough to melt lead, hot enough to vaporize you in seconds. But here's the really weird part. Mercury is closer to the sun. Mercury should be hotter. But why isn't it? Because Venus has a secret weapon. An atmosphere so thick, so absolutely suffocating that heat can never escape. 96% is made out of carbon dioxide, creating the most powerful greenhouse effect in the world. Or, I should say, in our solar system. It's like wrapping an entire planet in the world's thickest oven and turning the heat to max forever. But the heat is just the beginning. Imagine standing on the bottom of Earth's ocean, 3,000 feet down. All that pressure of the water crushing down on you. That's what standing on Venus would feel like. 92 times Earth's atmospheric pressure. Your body would crumple. Your bones would shatter. Game over. Instantly. And then the rain starts. But not water. Sulfuric acid. The same chemical in our car batteries. Falling from the sky. Corrosive enough to dissolve metal. Corrosive enough to burn anything almost instantly. But here's the thing. That acid rain, it never reaches the ground. Now, let's talk about how Venus spins. Because this is the part where things get really strange. Venus spins backwards. Every other planet in our solar system spins counterclockwise. Venus, clockwise. Scientists think a massive object, almost the size of Earth itself, slammed into Venus billions of years ago and flipped it around. Now Venus has been spinning backwards ever since. But it gets even weirder. Venus spins so slowly. One day on Venus takes 243 years. One day on Venus takes 243 Earth days. But when Venus orbits around the Sun, it only takes 225 days. A day is longer than a year. The sun rises in the west and it sets in the east. That sunrise happens once every 117 Earth days. Venus doesn't follow the rules. Venus makes its own rules. But yet, from Earth, Venus is so beautiful. The brightest planet in our sky, shining like a diamond. The ancient Romans named it after their goddess of love and beauty. The ancient Greeks called it the morning star and the evening star. They didn't know it was the same object. And Venus, during this day, you can see it sometimes. But get close, Venus reveals its true nature. The Soviet Union sent probes to land on Venus. Spacecrafts designed to survive the harshest conditions. Most of them were destroyed in minutes. the longest any probe ever survived? About 2 hours. Then the heat, the pressure, the acid finished the job. No human will ever walk on Venus. Not without technology we can't even imagine yet. Venus is so beautiful from far away, but so deadly up close. So that's Venus, Earth's twin, Earth's sister, Earth's nightmare. 900 degrees of blistering heat, crushing pressure that would flatten you instantly, acid rain that evaporates before it lands, backward rotation, days longer than years. A planet that looks like paradise from space, but is hell up close. Next time, we're gonna come home in our next video. If Venus taught us anything, it's that we should be grateful for where we live. Thanks for watching, Space Explorers. Hit that subscribe button because this journey is just getting started. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.